Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So in this video, first of all, I'll show you a user-friendly way of how to do it, and then I'll show you how to do it in developer options. But to be honest, for a regular user, the first option is completely enough. So let's start by opening the settings. Right here, we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Let's tap on it, and then tap on Software Update at the top. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Auto Update. So here we've got two options which are connected with the auto download. And first of all, let's tap on this auto download option. Here, make sure that you've got it set on Wi-Fi. I do not recommend marking mobile data or Wi-Fi or mobile data because the packages which are connected with the update are quite large, and it is not recommended to download them over the mobile data. Because it might apply some kind of charges. So make sure that it is set on Wi-Fi, and then I highly recommend to tap on this switcher here, because thanks to it, your device will not only automatically download the update, but also it will automatically apply it to the system overnight. As you can see, it is explained right here. It will happen between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. and thanks to it, and I mean, this is the time during which we usually don't use the our device. So thanks to it, you will simply wake up the other day and the next day, and you will have your system updated. You won't need to do anything more. And the second one is through developer options, but as I said, the first one is completely enough for a regular user. So let's open the settings. Here we have to tap on About Device, then scroll down and go to version, and keep tapping on the version number until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock. Then let's go back and go to System and Update again and tap on Developer Options. And here all we have to do is to find the option Automatic System Updates and simply tap on this switcher, which means that your device will do it automatically. You won't probably even notice. And it will apply the updates when the device restarts. Of course, if you wish to keep this option turned on, you need to keep the whole developer options turned on. That's why I do not really recommend this option. Just stick to the first one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.